I'm gonna use this as an overnight hot oil treatment because it's a little bit late now. So I'm gonna apply it on my hair, cover my hair up with my shower cap and my steam cap, and then tomorrow morning when I wake up, I will continue my wash day routine. I plan on doing my complete wash day routine, and then I also plan on straightening my hair for the first time. Since I went natural, I've never straightened my hair myself. I plan on doing it myself this time. I'm not going to anyone to do it for me. So I got our onion juice here. I got our hair growth oil here. I'm just going to part my hair in sections, and then we will start to apply it in sections. So for now, let me go and pat this hair in sections, and I'll be right back. So I'm done putting my hair in 4 sections. I'm just going to take this section and work on it. You guys have already seen me applying stuff to my hair many times, but I know we're having new people on the channel too, so I love to also show this part. Just going to first spray all over my hair. And the thing I love about me boiling the onion, you don't get too much of a strong scent. As if to say, you just blend it and strain it. The scent for that is very, very strong, and it will linger up all in your house for days and also on your hair. So since I want to sleep with this on, this is a good way for you to make your onion juice. You're still benefiting from your onion juice, but you will do not have that very strong smell. And I also lay something down, so whatever that is dripping, you can just drip on it. Now that I got this section, I'm gonna do is party little by little in little section, because we want to get this treatment on our hair. We want to get it on our scalp. You guys know our hair grows from our scalp, so it's good to focus it on the scalp. And then after that, I will also massage it in. And then this is our oil, and I'm just going to apply it on my scalp. And then also apply some on the hair. And then I'll massage that in. Massaging is very good because blood circulation, that's what we need. I'm gonna put a little bit more on the hair. So I'm just going to repeat the same on the rest of my hair. I'm done applying my treatment all over my hair. I'm just gonna go in with my massage brush. Just give myself a good massage for about 5 minutes. So this is how much left. This is how much of the oil I use. I'm now just going to cover my hair up with my shower cap. So I just put my stain cap in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now that it is hot, I'm just gonna put it on my hair like this. It will help open up my hair cuticles so that the treatment can penetrate better. And this stain cap is very, very important if you want your hair products to really penetrate and do what it's supposed to do. So make sure you check it out on my website. It's free shipping. But yeah, shameless blog for first secrets. But I'm done applying my treatment. I'm going to leave this on overnight. Tomorrow I will wake up and continue my wash day routine. So if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.